Yeah, it's all ice on the inside. So if you're a homeowner and you live in a cold climate, meaning that your temperatures will drop below freezing for a good part of the year, there is one simple winterizing step that you should not forget. And that's winterizing your outdoor faucet. My mistake that you'll want to avoid is keeping your garden hose attached to your faucet when the temperatures turn to freezing. And in sub-zero temperatures, water will freeze and it will expand. And this added pressure can cause pipes to burst or break. This can cause a lot of damage in both your home and your wallet. And right now I have my hose spread out along my yard because it is full of ice. I did not expect these temperatures to drop to below freezing overnight. Now the first thing I need to do is cut off that water supply. And just outside this window is where I have the external faucet. All right, here we go. Right now it is in the on position and need to close it. And here is a perfect example of how these handles work. You have your cold water and your hot water. Currently these levers, these handles are in the on position, meaning that there is a full flow of water into the tap. I'm gonna shut it off, so one quick switch. And now the flow of water has been interrupted right here. There is no water getting below this handle here. And this is the exact same thing that will happen once you cut off the water supply to your external faucet for winter. This is the copper pipe that extends to another faucet. Currently it is in the closed position. There is no water getting to the external faucet outdoors. And while you're shutting off the flow of water to your external faucets, take this opportunity to find the handle that will shut off the main water supply to your entire home. And in case of emergency, you can save time and money if you know exactly where to go to shut off the main water in your house. I shut off the water supply from the inside of the home. The next thing I'm going to do is come out here and turn this on. I'm just going to release any of the water that is still inside of the copper pipe. You'll also want to turn this little dial here and it'll release any of the water that is still stuck in this pipe. And then the last thing you're going to do before you put a cover on is close it up. Water is shut off and you will not have any bursting, freezing pipes. So unfortunately, I can't use a thermal belt because my faucet is too far away from the wall of the home. I get about an inch gap from the house to the end of the bell cover. In this case, I have to use this thermal bag, and it should fit around most faucets that are a little bit further away from the house. So it's just an extra step in winterizing your faucet. You can put this over top of your tap throughout the winter and it just helps protect it a little bit more. Maybe you have a backyard ice rink and you need to use the garden hose and faucet to flood your ice over winter. Not a problem. In my experience, just reverse and repeat these steps and you should be good to go. And thanks to the sun, and 24 hours later, I was finally able to wind up this hose and store it away for winter.